Now I am going to teach 8th standard physics lesson number 4, heat. Heat means thermal. So heat is a form of energy. Heat energy flows from hot body to cold body. Heat energy is transferred from one part of the substance to other part. For example, in all substance is made up of atoms and molecules. The atoms and molecules are in vibratory motion. So substance have some amount of heat. Then heat is supplied from the substance. The atoms and molecules gains the heat energy and start vibrate. This helps us to vibrate the neighboring atoms and molecules also. So heat energy is transferring from one point to another point of substance. That is, heat energy flows from hot body to cold body. For example, take a metal spoon, hot water in beaker. So the metal spoon is already not hot. The hot water is so hot. Metal spoon is dropped inside the hot water. After few times you touch the metal spoon, we feel hot. So heat energy from hot water is transferred to cold metal spoon. So heat energy is transferring from hot body to cold body. In our daily life, we are cooking food with the help of aluminium container. The aluminium container is placed on the burner. Switch on the burner start to fire. So the aluminium container placed on the burner. The aluminium container absorbs heat from the burner. So burner is a hot substance, aluminium container is a cold substance. It absorbs heat from burner to aluminium container. So heat energy transferring from one part hot body to another part cold body. Effect of heat. Heat energy due to the substance. It is expand, increases in temperature, changes in state. Now I am going to explain suitable examples for expansion. Take a two metal ball and a metal ring. The metal ring is placed with a stand. Allow the metal ball through the ring. The metal ball goes through inside the ring. Then heated the ball with a burner. Now allow the metal ball through the ring. The metal ball will not flow through the ring. Why? Because before heat the metal ball will not expand. The ball is compressed. It has original size. So the metal ball flows through the ring. After heat the metal ball will not go through the ring. because after heat the metal ball, inside the metal ball atoms and molecules is there. It has some amount of heat energy from the burner. It expand so that the metal ball will not go through the ring after heat. It keeps some time out of the burner. The metal ball lose energy. It is expand. Now allow through the ring, the metal ball will close. So due to the activity, due to the heat, the body expand. Liquid and gas also expand. Solid, liquid, gas expand. So gas expands more than that of liquid and solid. Another one example, in railway track, two tracks are joined. It has some gap. The gaps are very less in summer season. The gaps are more in winter season. In winter season, the temperature is very less. The tracks is made up of solid, so it is compressed, so it has more gap. In summer season, temperature is more hot. The iron track absorbs the heat. The iron tracks expand, so in between the tracks, the space, the gap is very small. Another example, transformation of electric energy from long distance. We used electric wire, aluminum wire. The electric wire are loosely fixed because in summer season, that is daytime, it absorbs heat, it will expand. In night time, due to the temperature less, it compressed. The electric wires are tight, so that the electric wires are not tightly fixed. Suppose we will tightly fix the electric wire, means at night time, due to compression, the electric wires broken. So due to the temperature, heat, the solid expansion. Liquid and gas also expansion, but gas has more expansion than that of solid. Second one is rise in temperature. Shall I explain rise in temperature with a suitable activity? Take a beaker, fill the beaker with water, placed on the stand. So fix the thermometer inside the beaker with water. So now measure the temperature. So thermometer is an instrument, is used to measure the temperature. It has some value. Second one, with the help of burner, heat is applied. So the beaker receives the heat energy. The water temperature rises. In both cases, temperature is different. In cold water, the temperature is normal, but in hot water, temperature rises. Why? Because heat energy is supplied. So the water molecules receives the heat energy, increases kinetic energy of the water molecule as temperature increases. So due to the heat, temperature of the substance increases. In our daily life, we are using making food, making tea. So we are using water. So before heat the water is set as some temperature. After heat, the water is different temperature. So, due to the heat, temperature of the substance rises. Next, change of state. Due to the heat, substance state changes. For best example, take ice cube in a beaker. It is in solid. So, supply the heat to the ice cube. The ice cube starts melt. In between the ice cube, in between the water molecules, the force of attraction, that is molecular force, is very less due to the heat. So it becomes liquid. Again, increase the heat, the force of attraction between the molecules is very less. So it becomes gas. So solid, ice cube converted into liquid, that is melting. The liquid converted into gas, that is vapor. So again increase the so now cool the gas, it comes into liquid, that is condensation. Further decrease the heat, it comes ice cube. So gas converted into liquid is called condensation. Liquid converted into solid is called solid. Freezing. So solid is converted into gas, sublimation. For best example, camphor. So when we fire the camphor does not melt, it's vaporized. So camphor is a solid state. After firing is vapor. So solid is converted to gas is called sublimation. So gas converted to solid is called deposition. So due to the heat, state changes. Substance state changes. Solid converted liquid is called melting. Liquid is converted to gas is called vaporization. Solid is converted to gas is called sublimation. Gas converted to liquid is called condensation. Liquid is converted to solid is called freezing. Gas to solid is called deposition. Ice cube is converted into water is the best examples of melting. Liquid like petroleum, kerosene, diesel is a liquid state. Is open for few times is vapor. It gaseous state, that is vaporization. Camphor is a solid state. After firing the camphor, it is vaporized. It becomes a gas. That is called sublimation. So water is a liquid state, is converted into ice cube. So this is called freezing. So this is change of state of matter.